Looking for the best drones on AliExpress in 2026? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best drones you can buy right now, from powerful GPS drones to budget-friendly mini flyers, so make sure to watch till the end before you buy. At number 1, we have the L900 Pro Max GPS drone. This foldable drone comes with a 4K HD dual camera, GPS positioning, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It also features brushless motors and 5G Wi-Fi FPV, giving you smoother flight and better real-time video transmission. A great choice for beginners who want premium features at a budget price. At number 2, it's the L600 Pro Max GPS drone. This drone steps things up with an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and obstacle avoidance for smoother and more stable aerial shots. With GPS support, brushless motors, and 5G Wi-Fi, it's ideal for users who want more professional-looking footage without spending too much. At number 3, we have the Lenovo GT3 Max Drone. This drone stands out with its 8K HD aerial camera, large screen remote, and optical flow positioning for easier control. It also includes intelligent obstacle avoidance and brushless motor performance, making it a solid pick for smooth and smart flying. A stylish drone with strong features for casual aerial photography. At number 4, it's the S2S Mini Drone. Compact, foldable, and beginner-friendly, this drone offers a 4K per 8K HD camera, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors in a small and portable design, perfect for kids, hobby users, and first-time drone flyers who want fun, easy controls, and decent camera quality at a low price. And at number 5, we have the Xiaomi Mijia M6 drone. This powerful drone features a 4K/8K HD camera, screen remote control, brushless motor system, and obstacle avoidance technology. Its foldable design and advanced flight features make it one of the best all-around drones on AliExpress for 2026, a strong option for both beginners and content creators. So, which drone was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel for more awesome product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.